welcome to this channel. Basically, out of the two sisters in this channel, we clearly see who takes this channel more seriously. And anyway, so tomorrow my sister Madge, who shares this channel with me, if y'all don't understand yet, go check out the other videos, is moving into her first college dorm, and I'm gonna vlog it because I see everybody else vlogging it, and so I was like, I'm gonna vlog it too. And maybe 10 people might see my video, but I'm doing this for those 10 people, all right? If you guys want to see the college move-in dorm, the college dorm move-in video, then keep on watching. And yep, bye. Hey vlog, so right now it's the night before Madge moves in, and we are gonna put all of her stuff in my car. So today's finally the day. My dad moved everything from Glori's car into our car in a matter of like 20 minutes. So Tiff talking about some that I don't care about the channel. Out of the two sisters in this channel, we clearly see who takes this channel more seriously. Literally, a lot of the editing was done by me, but I ain't gonna be petty, but like a lot of the editing was done by me. So we decided to switch cars, put everything in my dad's big Pilot. Mom, how do you feel about Madge going away to dorm?
Well, I'm so happy because I know que será voluntad de Dios.
Feliz, contentos, alegre.
You think she's gonna meet her husband?
Not really.
I think so.
No,
I think so. I think so. And we're about to unload everything.
I'm falling. Bringing our daughter to school. Bringing our little baby to school.
So Madge is officially moved in, and right now we're going to have a family barbecue.
We have a raffle ticket.
That's it. We're saying bye to Brett. Hi, Brett.
Let me see my hair. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned. I might have more videos to come.